What about you? In today's video, we're going to be cutting up this large tree that came down a couple of months ago. Let's go. For this test, I've got 4 different Milwaukee chainsaws. Let's have a look at them. We've got the M12 hatchet, we've got an M18 hatchet, we've got an M18 chainsaw, and we have the new M18 top-handled chainsaw. These are the ones we're going to be trying today. Let's start off with the baby of the bunch, the M12 hatchet. Now we're going to be a while with this little M12 saw. Let's try something a bit bigger. The next saw we're going to try is the M18 hatchet. I'm really looking forward to trying this out. The M12 saw that we just featured is a saw that I've had for a couple of years, and now they've brought out the bigger brother, the M18 version, so I'm looking forward to trying this out. So you can see how quick this is just cutting through the smaller stuff. Going to do some more and then we'll move on to the next saw. So, going to cut this bit here to get rid of all that crap. This is maybe just not really intended for it. We'll have a go to see how well it does. So cut that quite well. So let's just carry on cutting it down here and see how well this little saw gets on. Going to say that it's not really meant for stuff like this, but you can hear it, it's starting to struggle there. Let's do this final bit with it. It's pretty thick. What about that? Just want to give a quick shout out to Milwaukee Tools UK who sent me all the tools for this video. Now don't forget folks, if you're enjoying the video, smash the like button down below. Let's get on with the video. Now we've tried out the smaller saws, let's try some of the bigger ones. We've got, my dad's going to try out the M18 chainsaw. We've had a go with the M18 chainsaw. I'm really looking forward to getting a go with the top handle saw. Let's try this out. So there you have it, the selection of saws from Milwaukee of various sizes. Starting off with the M12 hatchet. We've had this for a number of years and I love this here, really good just for smaller stuff. That's been pretty popular, so they've brought this out, the M18 version. Again, you've seen really how powerful this was. And my favourite saw of the day is the new top handle saw. This thing is an absolute beast, really good job.